Or balance your body. Close my hands in hand. Place our hands first here. Okay, and if you lift this up, you will see underneath. The red one is your head. The blue one is your fingers distance. The white one is your legs. Oh, take note that you have to add a spring first before you remove. Kasi if you remove everything, your carriage will be sliding back. Okay, so for your safety, dapat lagi kung meron yan, brakes. Or you should always add a spring first before you remove. Okay, so the tendency is to nakalagay the springs kung gaano kadali yung stress it. Okay, so I want you to be mindful. Kasi pag white lang yan, mas madali yung cortex yan. Pero wag tayo red heavier. Okay. And then, something you have to hold.
Bye!
I want you to put the ball here. So, you want stand na hawakan sa ball. Always hold on the spring. Okay? So, we have here slender carriage, the movable part of your reformer, and most of your exercises are done here. Either in lying down, sitting position, or standing up. Again, take note, it slides back and forth. And we have here your shoulder blocks and your headrest. So when lying down, this supports your head, your neck, and your shoulders. We have here slender strap. So this is your long strap. Pwede din siyang maging short strap. Pero most common naman natin ginagamit is your long strap for your hands and your feet. When inserting your hands, 4 fingers should be inside, thumbs are out. No bending of the wrist forward or back. Should always be neutral or light para hindi sasakit yung wrist. Okay? And if you need more strength, you can come into this. Now, and later I will teach you kung paano din papasok sa paa. I will strap your feet. Okay? And take note, this is also connected to a pulley. So when you pull your strap, your carriage will slide down. So you have to take note of that and do that. Okay? Now let's start with your warm-up. Kindly change into 3 red springs. And do tell me if the exercise is too challenging or the springs are too heavy for you so I can adjust. Lower your foot bar all the way down. And get your toning ball. Foot bar all the way down. And get your toning ball as we will use this for your warm-up. Hold on to your toning ball lang. And to safely sit on or lie down on your carriage, you have to sit at the edge of your carriage. Sige po, borrow lang this bed or model student. So you have to sit at the edge po. And then side lie, bring your head on the headrest. Bring your feet on your platform extender and you roll down. So that's how you safely lie on your bed. Okay? Now, arms should be long by your side. Feet is parallel. Separate hip distance apart. When I say parallel, your toes should not be turning in or turning out. It should always be line. So, think that your toes are pointing towards your mirror. Good. Now, from here, we have a principle if you notice called your alignment. Wherein your head, your torso, and your hips should always be in line. So no arching of the back, no rounding of the head, or not yung hindi nakatingala mo ng sobra. Ganun din ha. And I want you to place your right hand on your rib cage. So your rib cage po, ayan, dyan. Okay. And left hand on your chest. Good. Now, we have another principle called your breathing. So, you inhale through your nose, and you exhale through your mouth. Yeah. Now, when you inhale, you will send the air to the lowest part of your rib onto your mouth. Good. Inhale again. You should feel your right hand moving. And when you exhale, it moves down or returns to its normal size. Good. Now bring both hands onto the sides of your rib cage. Next, inhale again. And exhale through your mouth. Again, as you inhale, you should feel your rib cage moving outwards. And as you exhale through your mouth, it returns to its normal size. This time, can you softly press your low back on the carriage? And softly press or melt your lowest rib cage on the carriage as well, so that your spine is supported. Good. One last time. So this is your ideal tall backward posture. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth as you maintain the alignment of your spine. Good. Now we will do your warm-up. When you hold onto your toning ball, arms are long by your side. Nice. Now to keep your legs active, I want you to think that you're pressing your legs on the platform. Good. And as you breathe, can you bring your balls up to the ceiling? Lift your arms up, lift your balls up to the ceiling. And slowly lower down. Back to your hips. Now you lift it back up. And lower down. Again, softly melt your rib cage on the carriage. Lift your arms up. As you lift your arms, make sure you're not popping your rib cage. And slowly lower down. Last two, lift. And lower. One last time, lift. Stay here. Now turn your palms facing at each other. And this time, open your arms out to the side, allowing your chest to open. And stretch. Now you return back up. And two, open, but being mindful of your rib cage. And you return. And three, breathe as you move. And you return. Now for four, make sure your rib cage won't pop when you open your arms. Now you open again, rib cage on the bed or on the carriage. Return. One last to open. And return back home. Good. Now turn your palms facing the mirror. This time, we will work on your chest or on your belly. Now you will lift your ball higher, lifting your head and your chest. Okay? Now you lift your ball higher, curl up, lift your head and your chest. Now slowly lower down. And two, curl up again, lifting the ball higher. And return. For three, as you lift your head, make sure your rib cage is sticking on the bed. Curl up, rib cage on the bed again, and lower down. Last two, curl up. Return. I don't hear you breathing, you guys. Curl up. Lift your head and your chest, and you hold it here. Now you lift your arms up to the ceiling. And slowly maintain the position, curl up, lift your arms up, and slowly lower down to the hips, and lift, and lower. Maintain the curl up, you guys. Lift your arms up, and lower. Keep your head and your chest lifted, arms up, and lower. One last, arms up, and lower your hands to the hips. Now lower your head down. And you take a rest. Very good. Now we will work on your legs. So I want you to be mindful of your low back. Can you place your right toning ball behind your knees. Right toning ball behind the knee. Right now, talk ka right now. Left leg should be on the carriage or on the platform. Now, you will hold your toning ball using your leg. Yeah. Now, I want you to be mindful of only your hips. Arms are long. Your low back will not arch. Just focus on the hip. You tap your toes towards your platform. Lower your toes down, your legs, tap it down. Sige po, kung paano nyo naiintindihan yung tap your toes on the platform. Good. Now, you bend your legs again. Into table down. Good. And you tap your toes down again. Good. Now you bend. Bend. And lower. Don't overdo the movement, guys. And fold. I just want you to focus on the hip. Lower down. And fold again. So just focus on the hip. The angle of your knee won't change. Tap your toes down. And fold. And forward. Tap. And fold. One last time, tap. And you stay here. Now place your right foot on the platform extender. Or on the platform. Yes. Place nyo lang yan, nakapano lang. This time, you open your right leg out to the side. You will drop it down. Yeah. And slowly return using your inner thigh and lower belly. And two, drop your right leg down. And return. And three, drop it down. Return. This time, keep your left butt on the bed as you lower your right leg to the side. Return. Left butt down, tama. Right leg down. Return. One last time. Open to the side. And return. Good. Now you set aside your right toning ball. You can drop it on the floor. Good. Now can you table top your right leg? So the thing, right leg ball, right leg. So tabletop is this position. Hips and knees should be in line. Knees and heels should be in line as well. And your toes are softly pointing to the mirror. Good. Now, be mindful again on your low back. Make sure it's on the carriage. From here, extend your right leg towards the mirror. And we bend again. And two, extend. And tabletop. And three, extend. And bend. And four, extend again. And bend. One last energy on the leg, you extend. Hold it here. Make sure your low back is on the bed. Now draw a straight line all the way up to the ceiling. Slowly lower down. Slowly lift, keeping your knees straight. And lower. And lift. And lower. And lift. So lower only where you can keep your back on the bed. And you lift only where you can keep your knees straight. Good. Lower again. And lift. One last time, lower. And lift. Stay here. Keep your knees straight. Toes reaching to the ceiling. Now you circle your leg out. For 5. Small circles now. For 4. 3. Do it with control. 2. And 1. You reverse your circle. For 5. 4. Yes, you scoop your belly. 3. 2, and 1. Stop. Extend up to the ceiling. Point towards the mirror. Tabletop. Place your right foot on the platform. And you take a rest. We will do it on the other side. Okay? So, minor lang siya, small movements, pero grabe yung nafe-feel. Tama? So you really have to scoop that belly. Parang whole body yung gumagalaw. Okay? And this is just your warm-up. Okay, now you place your right foot or your right leg on the platform line. Keep pressing it to really secure your body or stabilize. Now, place your left toning ball behind your knees. You table top that leg, your left leg, and focus on the hip lang po. Arms are long. Dito pinapractice natin yung scooping ng lower leg. You scoop your organs in towards your spine. Good. Now you tap your left toes on your bed. Left toes on the bed. Now bend again for 1. And then lower down. And 2. And 3. Do it with control. Lift. And lower. And lift. And lower. Just focus on the hip. Lift. And lower. Last 2. Lift. And lower. 1 last lift. And slowly lower down. Good. Keep your ball in place. Then place your feet on the platform. Now from here, lower your left leg out to the side. Lower your left leg out to the side, stretching your inner thighs, mobilizing the hip. But keep your bum down and return. Lower again, left leg, and keep your right butt on the carriage. Return. And 3, lower it down. Make sure you return using the inner thigh and lower belly. Last 2, lower to the side. And you return. 1 last, lower to the side. And you return. Good. Now get your left toning ball and set it aside. You can drop it on the floor. And you take on top your left leg. Again, make sure you're practicing the scoop so that your legs will become lighter. Good. Low back on the carriage. Now you extend your left leg towards the mirror. Extend to the mirror. And bend. And 2, extend. And bend. And 3, energy on the leg. And bend. And 4, extend. And bend. 1 last to extend. Stay here. Knees are straight. Now draw vertical line all the way up. 4, 5. Lower down. Make sure your knees are straight. And 3. And lower down. Don't aim for the reach. You aim for the form. You lift. And lower. So lift only where you can keep your knees straight. Lift. And lower where you can keep your back on the bed. 1 last lift. Stay here. Circle out. 4, 5. Point your toes to the ceiling. 4, 3, 2. Keep your hips stable. 1 last circle. And you reverse. 4, 5. Keep it stable. 4, 3. Keep your knees straight. 2. Do it with control. And 1. Stop. Now you point your leg up to the ceiling. Draw a vertical line down to the mirror. Table top. And place it on your platform extender with your wrist. That is your warm-up for today. Yan. So, that is form, di ba? Form naman, it doesn't mean that it's easy. Siyempre, challenging pa rin yun. Pero we're focusing on the movement and your body awareness. So, yun siya. Okay? Pilates is really hard. I get you guys. Arms are long by your side. You will go into your spinal articulation with elbows. Okay? So, from here, make sure you're focusing on the hips. You make a triangle with your hands. I want you to place it on your lower belly. So So, dapat yung index finger nyo nagka-touch mo doon sa pubic bone. Ganun siya kaloob. Yan. So, to scoop, you should feel that you're making a higop on the lower belly. Parang pinapaliit niyo yung part na may triangle. Good. Now, you breathe, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Yan. So, you maintain the higop on that lower belly. Ayun yung scoop na tinatawag natin. You're pulling the organs in and up. Good. Now, can you place your hands to the hips? The side. Arms are long by your side. Arms are long by your side. Good. Now, from here, you relax. And for two, you scoop your belly in again. Very good. Arms are long na po. Just the scoop. Just the higop. Just the higop. Very good. And you return. You relax. Now, for three, higop again on the lower belly. This time, you hold this position and tilt your hips backwards, flattening your low back on the carriage. As if you're pressing a soft marshmallow on your low back against your bed. Good! You feel that slight stretch. But keep the higop and you return to your relaxed position. One last, you scoop your belly in, tilt your hips backwards. Very good. Maintain this position. Now you lift your butt, followed by your low back, your mid back, and your upper back. Okay? Lift up higher. I want you to focus on your legs or your feet pressing on your platform to lift up higher. Higher. And highest. Remember, don't lose the scoop and the tilt. Very good. Now you lower from the upper back, mid back, low back, and bump all the way up. So we call this your spinal articulation because we want your spine to be mobilized or mobilized one segment at a time. Siyempre, we want a resilient spine. Okay? Now you scoop your belly in again, tilt your hips, lift your bum and your spine one segment at a time. Don't lose the tilt and the higop. Very good. Now keep pressing your feet on your platform to lift your bum higher. Higher and highest. Nice. Stay here. Now to spice the things up without actually moving your feet. Think that you're pulling your heels towards the bum. So you will feel more contraction behind the thigh. Parang yung hinihila yung paa nyo papunta sa puwetan. You feel that behind the thighs? Good. Keep breathing. Rib cage are in. And you melt from the upper back, mid back, low back, all the way to the bum. You lower it down. One segment at a time. Lower your body down. Good job. Hirap po. Very masarap. Now, I want you to go into your tabletop. We will do your hundreds agad-agad. Ay po? Wait lang. We have a beginner po pala. Ituturo na lang sa kanya kung paano yun. Okay? Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Okay. Pili ka po, ma'am. Sino gusto mo mag-demonstrate? Cappuccino, okay. What's your name po, ma'am? Kristen. Kristen? Kristen. Okay, so Miss Kristen, can you demonstrate what hundreds is? Okay, try natin sa tabletop. Can you tabletop your legs? Good. Hands first up. Imagine you're wearing your spring or your strap. Now you curl up, hands to the hips. Curl up. Yes. So, observe mo po, tabletop, arms popping from the shoulders. She's keeping her elbows and knees straight. And she's breathing as she pump. Inhale and exhale. Stop and take a rest. Very good. So, kaya sa tinawag na hundreds, we will maintain it for 100 pounds. But I want you to keep breathing as you move. And if there's tension on the neck, you can lower your head down. mag-continue pumping. Okay? Now, once you're ready, can you tabletop your legs and place your hands behind your thighs. Close to the knees. Hands behind the thighs, close to the knees. Thighs, thighs, thighs. Hands behind. Yeah. Now, your thighs are pressing against your hands and your hands are pressing against your thighs. It's a counter force action to keep your body stabilized. Now, from this position, you scoop your belly in and curl up. Lifting your head and your chest, you scoop even more. Now, float your hands towards your hips and you pump up and down. Up to the thigh, down to the hip. Up to the thigh, down to the hip. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Then, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And keep pumping. Keep breathing. Good. Scoop even more. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 10. Last 10. Look on your knees. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And maintain your position. Stop pumping. Look on your belly. And head down, legs down. You take a rest. Good job. Nice. Hinga lang po muna. May nahilo. May sumakit ang leg. Ayan. Puno ulit. Yan po ulit. Bumalik siya. Welcome back. Yan. So kung sumakit yung leg, maybe i-build na pa po natin yung core strength. Okay? So yan yung mga nata-notice lang natin sa body natin that we have to improve. Now you hug your knees towards your chest. Hug lang yung knees to chest. Yan. And if you want more stretch, you can lift your head and your chest. You will feel this on the low back. Yan. So stretch down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You return. And roll to your side, sit down. Bring your feet on the floor. And lift your foot bar all the way up. May nandito po wala naman. And may gustong mag-water break? Water break, water break. One blue and one white. Okay. Meron knee pain. Knee pain, wrist pain. Wala naman. Wala. Okay. Now from here, you will kneel po on your carriage. So can I borrow your corner po? What's your name of feet? So careful, be mindful of your spray. It's light. It's easy for your carriage to move. Bring both hands on your platform extender and kneel. Feel scooping against your shoulder blocks. If you look on my form, wrist and shoulder should be in line. Knees and hips should be in line as well. Also, my back is not arching. I'm also not over rounding. And to keep my shoulders stable, I'm not sinking here. I will push my body away from the platform. Okay? Again, notice my back. I'm not arching and not rounding. So I'm softly reaching my tailbone towards the wall. So ang gagawin po natin, we will scoop the belly and lift the knees. Okay? Ganun lang muna. When we lift, no shifting. forward or back. If na-feel mo pa na masyadong mahirap kasi bumubuka yung carriage, add kayo ng 1 third spring just to maintain. Okay? Yes. So ngayon pa lang mag-add na kayo ang feeling na magbubuka siya. Good. Now, can you kneel po on your carriage? Hands on the platform. Kneel on your carriage. Heels to be against your shoulder blocks. Pat your toes on the carriage. There. And make sure your knees are separate, hip distance apart. Hip distance apart. Good. Again, remember your hundreds position. Supported pa rin yung lower belly. Head is reaching towards your wall or your mirror. There. And your butt is reaching towards the wall. Very good. Softly gaze down. Scoop the belly in. Yan. Mahaba kayo from the crown of your head all the way to your butt. So, parang kanina nakahiga kayo, table top, ganito lang. Binaliktad lang po kayo. Okay, now from here, higop on the belly, kung ano yung na-learn nyo kanina. Higop, 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 and you lift your knees up. There, very good. And lower your knees down. And 2, scoop your belly, lift your knees up. Then lower. Good. Lower your knees. And 3, lift it up. And lower. Good. Now for 4, we will hold the position. Lift your knees up. Maintain this position. Lower the crown of your head. It's reaching to your wall or to your mirror. 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. One last time. Push your body away and you lift your knees up. 4, 3, and 2, and 1, and you lower your knees. Take a rest. Very good. Place your feet against or in between your shoulder blocks. Like kay Ma'am Tin, tama yung Ma'am Tin yung kanina. Yan, and you sit on your heel. Good. So, ganyan. Yes, you sit on your heel. Sit on your heel, sit on your heel. Minigay po kayo. Okay, okay.
Nalaki mo.
Okay. So, for you, what's her name po? Miss Camille. Ayun. You sit against your shoulder blocks, straighten your Indian seat na lang. Okay, kaya po Indian seat. Okay, so ganyan po. For the others, you sit on your heel. Good. And change your spring. Yung mga nag-add po ng red, you remove your red spring. And get your strap with you, 4 fingers inside, palms out. Good job kanina, strong. You guys are strong. Yes. Again, 4 fingers inside, palms are out. Again, alignment po tayo dito, head, torso, and hip should be in line. So we're not arching, you're not popping your rib cage, hindi rin nag-hinge. And you maintain the scoop. Good. Now your hands should be facing the mirror, slightly wider than the reformer lang po. So hindi sobrang taas, hindi rin close to the hip. Wider than your carriage lang, wider than the carriage, lower up your arms. Yes. Now you lengthen your waistline up, tall back position. Rib cage in. Nice. Now from here, bring your hands in front, keeping your body stable. And slowly return. Slowly return. And 2, bring your arms in front. And slowly return. And 3, arms in front. Return. So, ang pinapractice natin dito, challenging the alignment as your arm moves. Arms down. And 3, tall spine as we lift your arms in front. Return. And 4, be mindful of your shoulders. It's not shrugging. Very good. Return. You feel the difference. Last 2, bring your arms in front. You breathe as you move. Return. 1 last time, gaze in front. Shoulders are open. Reach. Yes. Very good. And you return all the way home. Now roll your shoulders back. Shape for 3, 2, and 1. We will add another layer to this. Can you bend your elbows, bringing your hands beside your rib cage? No bending of the wrist forward or back. It should be in line. Yan. Wrist should be in line. Hindi po siya nag-break. Ito lang. Yan. Rib cage are in. Again, tallness. Asan yung spine. Asan yung alignment. Rib cage in. Scoop. And you reach your arms in front. So we are working on the bicep muscle. And you bend. Now for 2, you're getting taller and longer as you reach your arms. Return. Reach. Press your good. Now you reach forward again. And return. Feel the difference? Last 2. Lift or reach in front. Return. 1 last. Arms in front, stay here. Circle out for 3. Small circles only with control 2. And 1. You reverse your circles. Keep your arms long. 4, 3. And 2. And 1. Stop. Relax the shoulders. Bend the elbows. Hands down to your hips. And you roll your shoulders back. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Very good. Set aside your strap. And carefully get down onto the neck. I want you to change your spring into 1 red and 1 blue spring. Your feet is strap. Kung napili ko kanina sa warm-up, nahirapan ko yung mag-lift ng leg, you can add or you can change it to 2 blue springs. Kung sa warm-up, nahirapan ko kayo mag-lift ng leg, 2 red springs. Okay? Pero kung kanina, saktong challenge lang yun, okay na yung 1 red, 1 blue. Lie down again and get your strap with you. We will do your feet in strap. Yes. Make sure it's long, guys. Wow, alam na. May mga suki pa na tayo. Now you slide the equilibrium close to the metal first wall, passing over the hand. Okay, I will help you po. For those na hindi pa nakapasok yung pasta strap, both hands on the, both feet on the foot bar. Press it, foot bar. Yes. Now you press your carriage out. Bend your knees, bend your right knee towards your shoulders. That's what you strap. Now can you extend this leg towards the mirror and you bend the other leg. Good. Extend both legs. Now what we want to see here is the stability of your spine as your legs are moving. So no arching of the back, no lifting of the bum, no shifting of your hips side to side. And to keep your legs stable, I want you to think that you're standing on your strap, but lower only to the point where your low back is not arching. And you keep your inner thighs together and feet parallel. Now from here, you lower your legs towards the mirror. Again, only to the point where your back is not arching. So you find your range. Thanks to the mirror. Low back not arching. Good. You scoop that belly even more. You scoop more in that spine. Now you fold your legs up to the ceiling, keeping your butt on the carriage. Keep folding, you maximize the stretch behind your thighs. Find the stretch. Keep breathing. Now for others, for more challenge, I will place a ball in between your thighs. Just enjoy the stretch and you scoop. Keep your butt down on the bed. These are on the carriage. Nice. Can you place your legs or press your legs towards the mirror again? Press your legs to the mirror. Legs to the mirror, legs to the mirror. Lower down, bend at the knee. Lower pa po. Good. Now you fold it up to the ceiling again. So the challenge here is by keeping your body in place. Now you press your legs again to the mirror. And fold. Okay lang po yung spring. And press. You will feel this more on the groin. Tama? You press. And fold. Last two. Press. And fold. Good. This time, you squeeze your ball for 5 times. Smoothly. Big control for 5. 4. Control the pressing. 3. Do it smoothly. 2. And 1. Good. Now you press your legs down to the mirror again. And you squeeze your ball again. For 5. And 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now, can you turn into your Pilates V? Heels will be pointing at each other. Toes are separating or facing away. Good. Now, from here, bend your knees and your hips. Shoulders or your knees will go towards your shoulders, but keep your butt down. So you will be like a frog. Jumping up and down, you extend your legs to the mirror. Basta feel sa groin, tama? Now you bend again. Knees will go towards your shoulders. Towards your shoulders, towards your shoulders. There. And you extend again. So parang nakabiba rin yung legs ninyo. Or your toes. Good. Now bend again. Go into your front. And extend. And fold. Last two, extend. And fold. When you fold your knees, will go towards your shoulders. So you open. There, and your knees will be open. Feel this? Good. Now you extend. One last. And fold. And extend. Nice. Okay, now you fold your knees. Get your ball. Place it under your reformer. Place your ball under your reformer. Good. Now, let's just stretch. Can you grab your feet? Po. Hands will be on the inner thighs or inside the inner thighs. Yes. Nakapasok mo. Nakapasok yung arms. Sa labas. Yan. And you pull your feet towards your chest. Just stretching the inner thighs. Arms will be inside or in between your legs. In between the legs. In between. Sino na yung arms? Yan. Diyan under sa labas. Now you pull it in. You pull your feet towards you. 4, 3, 2, yes, tama po. Sabihin, just one lang po. Good. Pull it towards you. 3, 2, 1. Now you remove your right strap. Right foot will find the foot bar. Sa foot bar go right foot, followed by the left. Then you close your carriage, carefully return. Good job. Kung hindi makita yung phone, you can drop your strap on the floor. Yan. Sukuan na natin ito. Now you roll to your side, bring your feet on the floor, sit down. And we will do your cool down. Good job. Change your spring into 1 use. I think na-introduce na bagong position sa inyo. So with form po, we will challenge you dun sa iba-ibang position. Good. Now you sit on your carriage facing your mirror as if you're riding a horse. So standing position. Now you scoot forward a little bit. We have a bolt inside our bum. Both are sit bones. So that should be the one sitting on your carriage. So yung bolt mo na namang matulis na bones sa baba. Good. Both hands on the foot bar. Sit on your sit pose so that you access your tall spine. Now think that the string is pulling your head up to the ceiling, grow taller and longer. There. Now from here, lift your right hand up to the ceiling. Lengthen your waistline. Think that you're in between the wall. Side bend towards the left. Make sure your right bum is plugged on your carriage. Now you return. And 2, lengthen that waistline first as you side bend. Return. 1 last time, you breathe as you side bend. And you return. Let's switch hands. Left hand up. Now keep your shoulders away from the ears. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Hindi po yun na shrug. Good. Lengthen that waistline up. And you side bend. 4, 3. And return. And 2. Side bend. Keep plugging your left butt cheek down. And you return. 1 last side bend. 3, 2, and 1. Return. Both hands on the foot bar. We will stretch your inner thighs. You can slide your feet po as we do this. Now press your carriage out. Lower your body down. Drop your organs to the floor. You like a crabs. Yeah. Drop your organs to the floor. You can take your time. It's there. Which one? And you return. Initiate from the hips. Round your spine. To return. 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 Close your carriage. 1 last time. Press out. Lower your body down. Good. Now you return. Initiate from the hips. Rounding your spine 1 at a time. Very good. Now you stand on the left side of your reformer. Separate your feet hip distance apart. Keep your feet parallel so it's not turning out, not turning in. Again, it's just pointing in front. There. Now bring your hands to the ceiling. Shoulders away from the ears, facing your mirror. Scoop that belly in, you lengthen your waistline. Nice. Now, you nod your head round your spine, reach for your toes, 1 segment at a time. You're rounding. Reach for your toes or look on your belly. Keep your knees straight. Now to feel more stretch, shift your weight towards the front as if you're about to fall. And you scoop your organs even more to feel it more on the low back. And slowly roll up, initiate from the bottom, stamp your spine. One segment at a time, stand up. Reach your arms longer. And you open it to the side, all the way to your hips. All the way to the hips. Now you circle it back up. And open. And hug yourself tight. Good job, you guys. That is your program for today. Good job. How was it? Challenging, right? Kaya naman to survive. Good job today. I hope you enjoyed your session. Good thing you're
Medyo masakit na talaga siya.